Wave Accounting offers a simple way to create and send professional quotes and estimates. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into your Wave account at waveapps.com. Go to Sales. From the left menu, click Sales, Estimates, or Quotes. Create New Estimate. Click the plus New Estimate button. Fill in details, select or add the customer. Add line items, description, quantity, price, taxes. Set issue date and expiry date. Add notes or terms. Preview and customize. Review the layout. Wave allows basic branding, logo and colors in your business settings. Save and send. Click Save as Draft or Send. Enter the customer's email and add a personal message. Click Send Estimate. Additional features: convert accepted estimates into invoices with one click. Track status: sent, viewed, accepted, declined. Set up recurring estimates for regular clients.